There are several ways of solving these two simultaneous equations. For instance, we could find out an expression for x and substitute it in the first equation. So for instance, we find that x is 10 minus 4y. So this x here we substitute by 10 minus 4y. So we would have 3 multiplied by 10 minus 4y minus 2y equals 9. And then you can find out y, and then you come back to this equation and find x. Or, an easier way to do it is to multiply this first equation by 2. So now if you just look at these two equations, so here we have x, and there we have 3x. Here we have 4y, and there we have 2y. So I thought it would be easier to just multiply the first equation by 2 to have 4y in both equations. Or you could do the same, you can just multiply the second one by 3 to get 3x there. So the reason why we do this is that because we can either add the two equations together or subtract them. So here we have minus 4y, and the main reason we do this is to get rid of either y or x, so we just want one unknown. So because here we have minus 4y and here we have plus 4y, we can add them up, because plus 4y minus 4y would equal 0, so you get rid of the y and then we have x, so then you can find out what x is. So this is what I've done here. So now we add them up, and remember I've written them one below the other so you can see this very clearly. So remember, the x terms you add together, the normal numbers you add together, and the y terms you add together. So it's easier if you keep it really tidy. So you get 6x plus x equals 7. This will be 0. And then you get 18 plus 10 equals 28. So you get that 7x is 28. So now x is 28 divided by 7. So x is 4.